What up, it's your boy T-Bird here with the reaction. So, one of y'all requested me to keep going on with the Queen of Ratchet Disney videos, so I'm going to keep doing that. This one I picked out is called Cruella De Vil versus Medusa. So, let's check this one out and see how this one go. The last one was with Cinderella was pretty funny though, but this one might be interesting. So, I'm trying to remember what Medusa's from. I know Cruella De Vil is from Dalmatian. Can you remind me where? Can you refresh my memory of where Medusa's from? Without further ado, here we go.
I feel like being petty. I wonder what this bitch is up to tonight.
Who the fuck is that?
This ain't nothing but Cruella,
Tell
babe.
that bitch to stay out our
You know she ain't got no man. Cruella, what the fuck you want, bitch? You know I got dick over. Guess who's been talking shit? Who? Tell me, Cruella, you give me so much life. Tell me who ass I gotta whoop tonight. Anita said that she's been fucking your husband every single night. Are you fucking kidding me? She said she the main bitch, and you the side bitch.
Ooh.
Bitch, yeah, she been giving her good.
Good.
I told you. And what the fuck did you have to say, bitch?
Ooh.
Nothing. Cruella, we all know you like to keep drama going because you ain't got no man. So stop. I don't need a man. It's because your pussy covered in cobwebs. Fuck you. Fuck you too.
It's like your pussy covered in cobwebs. Hold up. I'm sorry, that was too short, man. I gotta do another one. Hold on a second. That was too short. Fuck it. I'm leaving it at that then. Yeah, that shit was too short. But that shit was funny as hell. Oh my god. I'm gonna keep doing more though another time though, but other than that, this was pretty funny. So, if you like more reaction, like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's your boy T-Bird signing off. And again, can y'all remind me in the comments where Medusa's from again? I remember she's looked familiar. I can't think of the cartoon, the Disney movie she's from though. Hit me up on that. So, it's your boy T-Bird signing off. One love.